The skin is continuously exposed to the sun rays, pollutants and harmful chemicals. Therefore, the skin is damaged to a great extent by these external forces. Generally, the color of the skin is determined by a pigment called melanin. Overproduction of the melanin leads to dark spots on the skin. It is caused due to the stress, hormone problems, and deficiency in nutrients. There are a number of treatments available in the market to get rid of these dark spots. But, they are expensive at the same time, they may cause some side effects. Hence, it is better to go for natural home remedies without any side effects. Lemon juice is one of the best ingredients, which can treat the dark spots effectively. In combination with other ingredients, it will do wonders on your skin. Benefits of lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which acts as an effective bleaching agent. This juice slows down the overproduction of melanin pigment. It also acts as an astringent to remove excess oil from the skin. It also removes excess dirt, thereby giving a radiant glow to the skin. 1. Lemon juice and turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces the dark spots. It acts as a natural bleaching agent. Hence, it lightens the dark skin. Milk contains a number of nutrients which nourishes the skin from deep inside and moisturizes it. Milk also acts as a very good cleanser. Hence, it clears the pores thoroughly by removing dirt and excess oil. Ingredients: lemon juice ½ teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, milk 1 tablespoon. Procedure: take ½ teaspoon of lemon juice in a clean bowl. To this add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir the ingredients thoroughly to form a uniform mixture. You can get a smooth thin paste. Apply this paste on the dark spots. Let it stay for about 10 minutes. Wash off your face with lukewarm water. Pat dry the skin with a soft towel. Repeat the process 2-3 times a week. 2. Lemon juice and olive oil. The fatty acids present in the olive oil moisturizes the skin. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants. Hence it protects the skin from the sun rays and pollutants. Olive oil also moisturizes and hydrates your skin. Ingredients: lemon juice ½ teaspoon, olive oil ½ teaspoon. Procedure: mix ½ teaspoon of lemon juice and ½ teaspoon of olive oil in a clean bowl. Apply the mixture on the dark spots. Let it stay for 10-15 minutes. Rinse your face with water. Repeat the process 2 times a day. 3. Lemon juice and coconut oil. Coconut oil contains antioxidants which reduce the dark spots caused by the sun rays and pollution. It also locks the moisture in the skin. Ingredient: lemon juice 4-5 drops. Coconut oil 4-5 drops. Procedure: mix both the lemon juice and coconut oil together in a bowl. Gently massage the mixture on the affected area. Let it stay for 20 minutes. Gently wipe it off with a soft cloth dipped in warm water. Repeat this once in a day. 4. Lemon juice and yogurt. Yogurt contains natural enzymes, which help to cleanse the skin completely. It also balances the oil production in the skin and maintains the skin texture. Ingredients: lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Yogurt 2 tablespoons. Procedure: firstly, apply the lemon juice to the dark spots by using a cotton ball. Let it dry for 10 minutes. Then on the top of the dried lemon juice, apply yogurt to cover the dark spots. Leave it for 10 more minutes. Wash off your face with plain water. Try the process once in a day. 5. Lemon and tomato juice. Tomato juice contains active compounds which inhibit the melanin production, thereby preventing the dark spots. It also contains antioxidants which protect the skin from sun rays. Ingredients: lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Tomato juice 1 teaspoon. Procedure: take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in a bowl. To this, add 1 teaspoon of tomato juice. Stir the ingredients thoroughly to form a uniform mixture. Let it dry for about 10 minutes. Rinse off your face with water. Pat dry the skin with a soft towel. Finally, apply your regular moisturizer. Try the process once in a day. 6. Lemon juice and baking soda. Baking soda acts as a good exfoliator. It removes the dead skin cells on the dark spots and brightens the skin. Ingredients: lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Baking soda 1 teaspoon. Procedure: take 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a bowl. To this, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Stir the ingredients well to form a uniform mixture. Apply the mixture on the dark spots. Let it dry for about 5 minutes. Wash off your face with warm water. Repeat the process every day.